It's day 7, yo, with 18 miles to go. This is who I'm hiking with today. Let's go, guys. Oh yeah, important news. I just crossed mile 100. That in 6 days. Here we are, or day 7. But I was at mile 100 last night. Either way, I did it. Fuck you. Damn, I'm 4 miles in. Dudes, ladies, there is 2 pilgrims ahead of me. There hasn't been anybody almost this whole trip except for one other guy. This is amazing. What's up, dude? I only walked through this town so I could get some breakfast, but it looks like everything is closed. Looks like I'm down to Hamon and Snicker bars. It's Sunday. That's why everything is closed. Congratulations to my brother who got married yesterday. Sorry I wasn't able to be there. Here I am walking across Spain. You're getting married and I'm out here like, I did a marathon day yesterday. I made it 18 miles.